Some of the trigger group pins I got in today. Got them from KNS Precision. These are the zombie green kit, so just wanted to add a little bit of color to the gun, not a whole bunch, but thought that would be nice for everybody. Okay. Anyway, items that came with it, they gave us a nice sticker here. Pretty plain, but hey, still got something with it, right? And then they also gave you a nice beer koozie with all their info on it, where they're from, you know, where you're going to get that information, and then on the back, got a couple guns. Looks pretty neat. Pretty nice items. So we'll get those two items out of the way, and we're going to try to move my lower in here. I've already separated it from the upper, obviously. I don't know if I can actually work on it, but either way, I will get some tools here. I'm going to get deep into this. Open up some packaging here, take a look at what we got. Getting this opened up over here. I've got a couple screws here. This is the copper push-through pin. So what you want to do with it is you want to take this, going to have threads on it. This is definitely for the trigger. We're going to go ahead and screw that on. And you know, we're supposed to be able to attempt to push this through here. Now, I don't think we're just going to push. So we're going to get Alright, so we've ran that through there. You're going to see on this side here, you have the little bullet part sticking out up there, and that part you just unscrew with your fingers. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move over to fire. And we're just going to let this forward nice and easy, okay? And we're going to start on this next one a little bit. And we'll see what happens. Now this one has the two little edges on each side. And you see on both sides you have that. Okay. So we're going to try to start that. Again, just a wee bit. Start it. And we did it. Jesus. Okay. Here's your old one. Okay. And now all we're going to do is put one on here. And if you see on the bottom, you got like the little indent there for it. Just line it up with the hole. Get your one started here. Okay, it's in there. And now we're just going to flip it over to the other side. Got pushed in a little bit. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing over here. Okay. That's on. Start that up. Now what they do is they give you two different ones here, or two different Allen wrenches or torque wrenches that look like Allen wrenches. And I'm going to grab those real quick. And what you're going to want to do is tighten both of those at the same time, which we're going to do. A little bit of cat hair mixed in. Looks great. We'll check functionality here. We're good. Go over to safe. Does not fire. We're going to flip it to fire. And it definitely does fire. Good to go. There you go. That's there you go. Quick look here for you. So this is mod 2. Looks like you get another sticker inside the packaging with it. So pretty nice stuff. Huh? Anyway, there you go. So we got KNS Precision trigger group pins, SS non-rotation small, 154 diameter, Gen Z, which is the zombie green, mod 2, which gives it the bone look. You can get these in square, and you can also get them in the Spikes Tactical. And there's the model of this particular one. Right down there. I hope you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Have a wonderful day.